Not time. I thought them talking and try to hide my glory. Yeah, the baddest artist in Jamaica right now.
People are going, they don't know me, the facts, you know, yeah, man. People. Boy, may I tell you. She in school and David the doctor. She in school. What that you have for dog? I don't know, like, I don't know, the crooks them, better you call them rhyme minister. Them not lyrical at all. May I tell you. I know Devin the doctor. Yo, let me tell you this, brother. May I tell you, plain and straight. If MASICKA and Devin the doctor go in a lyrical clash right now, me, sure myself, me the facts. No say, Devin the doctor, I go rub out MASICKA. Me, I tell you that. Because I know Devin the doctor. Personally. Him, I go rub out MASICKA lyrically. I want dangerous youth. What I see? No, you know. I just like a warm up. May I tell you that. Because he's a bright youth. MASICKA not ready. MASICKA usually drop some little ready come lyrics back then and ready. MASICKA not lyrically, brother. It not lyrically. That's the problem. You understand? Because if it be lyrically, we don't see other stuff. You understand? So, let me tell you this. MASICKA, may I tell you this. You know what going on the dancehall right now? Make the people them call you out? Yeah, man. Let me tell you this. A long run short catch you get right now. And you see, if you don't make a step, they might go done with you. You understand? If you're not brave up, or answer nobody, even the doctor are alkaline. Remember say you run from like a cartel thing. Because we know say you're weak. Let me tell you this, brother. Def Jam can't save you. You understand? Right now, after the album, I eat that for you, brother. You still have to go run, come back to dancehall. Because remember say you sign and you still not left Jamaica. Everything on Jamaica chart you top with an international company. So, let me tell you this. Either you run out or you flap out. A two options you have in a dancehall right now, brother. And a time now. Because look here, this is like when Mr. Data come for you. Mr. Data come for you. Now the war is here. So you have to run out and say, let me tell you this. She in school can't save you. A little baby crooks can't save you right now, brother. I tell you this and I made the facts attack. Look here, I know this is going to happen. I saw a thing said there's going to be a point at time. Because this is the thing, you know. This is dancehall where it's seasonal. You understand? When it's ready, the war will come to you. You not go to the war. And you have to go attack it. I'm tell you this, MASICKA. If you want to save your career, you better run out. I tell you this. Don't look and listen to nobody about no bigger picture. Because last time you talk about bigger picture. Right now, the picture out of frame. Crack up. Then can't find it. Then eat out that. So brother, she in school can't save your dog. You understand? Because right now, karaoke. Him there right now. Yeah, karaoke. Because I don't know why that him run out with Devin the doctor with, brother. Right now, brother, I don't think Devin the doctor can even really watch, I know. That's why little baby cooks will just come out of belly, brother. She in school not ready yet, dog. You understand? MASICKA. All of them little lyrics where you usually drop then. Where then they know. Cause this are the thing, you know. When you feel like say when you reach past a certain level, you know, bro. MASICKA, I tell you, I warn you. Run out. Cause look here. I see it a forward. A long run you make, you know. And a short catch you get right now. You see what going with you with the little cartel thing. And the people must say, yo, you can't even bother that alkaline. I must say, Devin the doctor run out, you know. And say, yo, I'm afraid of alka. Brother, you better run out. A last chance this year I get. And if you make this year pass and you don't run out, just look, you know. Take up your career and put it in a Birkin bag. I tell you from now, dog. I tell you from now. She in school can't save you. This song them when me hear she in school I sing, brother. Brother, that not gonna be. I tell you, come see Devin the doctor drop a lyrics there. He man talk about every part in her brain. Bro, you're not ready, brother. You see like how when Alka say, yo, yeah, like a theater show. Yeah, man. You better lock your mouth right now and open your eye them. Cause a war time. You understand? A war time, brother. And if you say you're the man, make we nice up your place. Run out. A war season. Cause no fun understand how dancehall work, you know. Dancehall is like a battery in a car. At times, it'll go on jump start. And the war. Because look, you know, war gone in the digital world. War back then, I usually on stage. You understand? A manual move. No, automatic. You understand? So nobody not really go up on stage again because our internet so powerful right now. Social media where abroad people can see what I want. You understand? Stay at them yard and listen to clash and every little thing. So nothing wrong with that. But at time now in a dancehall right now, it is time. You understand? Remember say Gram say nah do no more gun song. Yeah, him can go and easy over this. I want one clash him go in and do a little thing. Yeah. We'll give him credit and know it's alright. A film time gone, you know. You see me? Yeah, him just go and do a couple shows and thing. Yeah. But him do him for doing a dancehall already. MASICKA. I tell you, I warn you again, brother. You say if you don't run out, me the facts. I tell you this. You say if you don't run out, I hit this for you, brother. I tell you, you see what alkaline do to popcorn? At this time losing respect. Yeah man. Can run go to Teflon. But Shane Skull can't save you. I see some little other crooks I run out, some little baby crooks, some little wingy, some little shiwi. You understand? Nah go work, dog. MASICKA. Brother, it's like everything what happen, we say yo, bro, you're coward, you're weak, bro. You from being man answer your question, bro. There's something say yo, brother, you think water down. You see me? Bro, I know nothing wrong if Devin the doctor rub you out, but at least we say you're brave and you run out, bro. You understand? If I saw, because bro, no levels can't play right now, no. Dancehall right now, bro, let me tell you this. Dancehall right now need one little war for kind of roar up a thing right now, bro. Dancehall dip on a little cruising mode right now, bro. You realize, everybody, when man drop girl song right now, you must say, you don't want to hear that. Everybody wants somebody to drop a little war song. Bro, at time now, this is dancehall is a competition versus. In a dancehall, you have dancehall competition. You understand? It's a competitive genre, bro. It's not like R&B and hip hop and them little thing there, you see me? Although them have them little thing. You know see what going with Drake and Kendrick with there. Look how much people go at it, bro. You look war where they put up Kendrick, make him get all Grammy and everything. And only they dance all a pre-bow bigger picture and all of them look something there. Kendrick has sold out play. Bro, you know no sense in it, dog. You understand? Do something. Cause we know say yo, and you are hold it back, bro. And you are hold it back. And this can't say, MASICKA, may I tell you this? You say if you don't come out and say nothing, brother, I eat that, brother. May I tell you. You notice say you drop a little song when you scope. And nobody even meds it. Yeah man. Nobody not they eat out that. And because people them say yo, you never say nothing, you come out a big and a ball cree with the cartel thing. The people them say yo, you're weak out, you're soft out, bro. If you not step MASICKA, I eat, bro, I'm tell you this, bro. You can't sing no more bad man song. I tell you. Any bad man song you gonna sing right now, I hit. You better alright, you say any bad man song you sing right now, just make sure say you have run out of swamp. You understand? Make sure say you run out of swamp for go hunt somebody. You understand? That me I try to show you, bro. That are the things. So if you not run out, brother, and try to do something, dog, it don't make no sense. You see it? You have to try to do something, brother. Right now, dancehall need a little shake up. I tell you, alkaline run out, mash up the place. Body I talk about key, man. Yeah, everybody, all the apps them talk about it. When you want to do, bro, you think like say, bro, you don't sit down in a studio every day. You not do nothing. Nothing you not do, bro. But tell you get too comfortable, you know. Yeah man, you get too comfortable because every little hot song you drop, yo, at the baddest thing, I hit, bro, that not do nothing. When song them there now? Nobody not remember about them, the dog. Because what? You not brave up. Make the people them show you respect. You see when you try to, when you look at cartel thing and the people them diss you and they use alka diss you, you know why? Because the people them no matter what they respect alka because they know say yo, alka do the damage. Set him on a bars. You not say nothing. A man just a baby up, you under one man wings. You understand? Yeah man. Right now if a man arm green, you smell it. Cause you just under a man arm right now, bro. You understand? You better run out, bro. Shane Skull can't save you. Cause be a shaggy Shane Skull a sing. Bro, I tell you already, brother. If you can at least show a little thing with DEVIN the doctor, you know, bro. Alka thing now gonna be normal, no, brother. You understand? That me I try to show you. Cause remember, you know, if you not go war alka to, you know, we don't know how not go get filed. That's why I even know say you can't tell maybe not go one step to alka. Cause I'm not no file for alka. One thing you can talk about with alkaline. I just gelding and the brighter thing, that's all. We don't have nothing else, we don't have nothing more for you. You understand? The look of song them people. What me say? The man a drop Shane Skull. Bro, right now you better take off his skull off of your name, bro. Me I tell you. Shane Willie. And I'm not disrespecting people. I something me I see in a dancehall space. And I say, yo, MASICKA really say no, that little baby cock say, bro. To Devin the Doctor, brother, yo, I don't know Devin the Doctor. You don't really listen to him and lyrics them, bro. Me I tell you, bro, your man I use the whole lyrics, a detail and a critique the boy in my brain for kill him to rot in. Me I tell you, yeah, man. But brother, we don't need for, I don't know. That little war, bro. Right now, she and Skull go sit down. Me I tell you, go sit down, bro. Go sit down, cause the song them where you drop, dog. Anybody can tell you where I listen to me right now. The song them where you drop, brother. Them the weak. Me I tell you, brother. Them the weak, dog. I'ma tell you this, MASICKA. Bro, the label can't save you, brother. The label now do nothing for you. Forward back in a little dancehall world, come mad up your place. Bro, you can't say you're the baddest thing, bro. Baddest with what? You can't say you're the baddest thing and you don't prove it, bro. You feel like say hot song, you look a hot song and me a job, can't say you're bad, brother? Eh? Bro, the reason why the people in my prep you up, bro, is because you're a neutral artist. You're a follower, you're not a leader. So, you're Bounty good, you're Popcorn good, you're Cartel good, you're OS, you're most of the artists them good. So it's like, everybody are going to say, yo, are you do the thing? Because you have a little share of everybody fans. But right now, the guys of them not trust you. You understand? Right now, your leverage drop. Enough people leverage. Everybody at this, you have baby crooks and all of them little thing there, bro. You have to run out, me I tell you. And you can't run from that. Let me tell you this, brother. Nobody feel like say you're going to get a third chance. Me I tell you. Nobody feel say you're going to get a third chance right now. You see it? Yeah, man. So, right now, I see the little clash. And MASICKA, you're wicked, you know. I tell you, brother, you're wicked to Shane Skull, dog. Bro, what if you send out a crocodile with no teeth, brother? How the man gonna save himself? You understand? Unlike say when Devin Doctor shoot, him have couple teeth, you could have save him. Or that block the shot them. Bro, a be a gum in a man mouth, brother. Man not no teeth, brother. What if you send the man out of swamp and he not no teeth to save himself? MASICKA, bro, I don't know what you do, brother. Right now, you make your thing look flat, bro. Me I tell you. Me I tell you, brother. People have a serious situation me I talk about, you know. This, I know. If him feel like say I go play leverage card and don't answer, brother, MASICKA, you not reach that level there yet. You understand? Cartel can do that. See, I can do that. Alkaline can do that. See, Movado can do that. MASICKA, you not reach no levels where you can play leverage card yet, brother. Me I tell you that. Cause you see next song where you go drop, right? Brother, I'm tell you this, the next song where you go drop, it'll go worse. So make sure say the next song. Come know in a label I pressure for little album release and certain things. So I understand. But let me tell you this, bro. You better ready, cause Def Jam can't save you, She and Skull can't save you. And the other rest of man them with the run, you be a boots and boots, cause you're not brave, bro. You're afraid to call name and the man them with the run and say you call name and stop making man them water down your thing. You understand? Bro, forward though, me I warn you, brother. Cause you not even know say I want to chop your inner right now. Yeah, cause right now, you know, if you wife for go on, brother. See, nobody feel like if Shane Skull dead, you know, the crooks them sing too. Me I tell you. Cause right now, nobody know with you right now, no, bro. No unruly no dead for you, no, they eat out that. No Gaza no dead for you. You understand? No law no dead for you. No more of the people them who you usually swing with. No dead for you, bro. You understand? Josh no dead for you, you run him off high stage. Nobody no dead. So, we don't know where you go forward with now. No, you have to go prove yourself, brother. Me I tell you. You have to go prove yourself, cause right now, Shane Skull right now I be a gum in my fight with. You understand? And right now, him more tired right now, cause no teeth in there if you help him. You understand? Yeah, man. Right now, I have to keep him eyes them open. You understand? He more like cause he not no teeth. Devin the Doctor right now. I be a shot in my fire right now. You understand? I just look as tough skin. But soon after this, no more now work. I'm going to run go back in the swamp to you. Cause I know say they cross over a different side of the swamp and I watch what I go on. Cause you're coward, you know, bro. You sit down in the studio every day and through the people. You know what, too? The people them broke your bad. But then you never know, say, I want to trap them I put in. Every song when you drop them at about hit you, a MASICKA consistent and way consistent. They know. You never know, say, then they just a hype you and a baby up. And when war time, them have to go left you alone. This is what happen, brother. You know, build nothing. You never know. You just leech pan man, other man things and all of them look something there, bro. You better run out. Cause if you don't run out right now, then let me tell you this. And like back then, when if you run out with alkaline and you never run out, but you see now in a dancehall, boy, me I tell you. You better run out, dog. Me I tell you, cause you can't run from this one, you know. Yeah, man, that one you Flintstone, man. You can't run from this, bro. Me I tell you. Cause Devin the doctor did Shane Skull away, bro. Right now, Shane Skull over one eye in a swamp and one corner pan the tree chunk of ball right now, bro. Devin over there fire shot. I right behind one tree thumb. Shane Skull. I hide right now. You understand? I just pee him out, bro. Kinda no teeth in the head right now. So I feel hide beside one tree thumb. Yeah, man. So, I don't know what you go do. I don't know if you have to go run out there and save him and put him back in the swamp. And you start do what you have to do, brother. Cause if you not do nothing right now the whole dance have your squad, brother. EV Gaza. I tell you, see some mad sauce run out and say, yo, alkaline and brave. See it, bro? Everybody with alkaline. I tell you already that's alkaline say pick on the side, you know. Bro, a two fan base in the dance right now. Nobody not talk about no crooks, brother. Crooks generate from Gaza thing. So no one entity for yourself. You understand? Yeah, man. Alright, if Gaza say, yo, ready for cut all of it. You only know nothing left for yourself, bro. You see what going on with you. You know no strength. You understand? MASICKA no soul of fan where we push him thing, brother. You understand? I just look a hype and ray. All of them song they when they talk about hype, about mute and this and that. No. People them forget about that, brother. I'm telling you already, bro. You're not too comfortable in the zone. You don't love fall back, you don't love fear. All of them look something there. Is what I try to say, people. But as me say, bro, you know where you go run, how you go run, you know. You do the long run and see the short catch, because you feel like say you're that gateway. Yeah, man, you feel like say, yo man, I come run dance all without step it. I know so it work. I know so it work. Because enough of them understanding and enough of them are undercover fans. Yeah, man, enough of them. You see what going with you already, and everybody switch up on you, say you're coward. Weak out, this, that. Yeah, man. That's how you think set in a dance hall. When the time ready for step, everybody cut left you. Everybody now say, oh, MASICKA the man, baby. Bro, let me tell you this. Artists defend them thing, bro. Yeah, we know say Devin doctor not really hot right now, but he have a couple songs in the thing. But let me tell you this, bro. The youth, lyrically, I tell you that I know him. Lyrically. And I don't know if you're afraid, maybe you don't want to gain that strength there. But remember, say, you did that kind of go at it and you're a boss, kind of beat him with the belt and thing. But man, forward back for you now. Remember, say, Kuritad now, no dead if you help you again, you know. Yeah, man. So you have to go do something, brother. I tell you, if you don't do nothing, dog, Alka don't want it already. If you don't do nothing, brother, I eat that for you. I tell you, bro, they might do like how they might eat popcorn right now. Right now, people them forget about papi. I tell you. You see it, they forget about papi, dog. So, right now, you will get a little scene right now, you know. You better run out, dog. Because I tell you, if you go drop an album, nobody no want to see that. So, you look at the last album what you have right now, you better run out so people can say, alright, the boy do him thing, I go prima. You think people them not understand music, you know, and how music work and the timing, you know. You understand? Because remember when Alkaline drop him song, Zane, and people must say, yo, what kind of song with him drop and Ray, but Alkaline drop key man after. That is show you say man a leader. The man a play chess move, you know. You understand? You see how no react. You see man drop key man, everybody attack, everybody get this. That's how he thinks it. Man say, yo, MASICKA wet bread. Of course, a wet bread, brother. You understand? So, I don't know what MASICKA gonna do right now. Because right now, Shane Skull can't save on no brother. I tell us, if Shane Skull be seeing right now, swamp dry up. I tell you, nothing not there. Be a baby lyrics, man a rhyme. Jano, brother. I don't know where man to think about, bro. But, you're off pound of crooks. I don't know MASICKA, you have to run out there. I tell you, if you don't do it, I eat this fear, brother. Yeah, man. You can go on with the Def Jam, because then don't jam up your career already, you know. Just true reality, you know, hit it. You see me? But people, you don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You don't know. That is it.